to divert it to talk about trans women, because that's clearly...
No, you banged on about trans women. I just said to you, if you don't know what a woman is, we've got a problem.
I'd like to get back to that, by the way, because she's wrong.
No, I just...
She's wrong about the economic history. She's the one looking at it through an economic prism that's extremely narrow. Yeah. She's using feminist standpoint theory to try to tell us what the history of economics is. Yeah. She can't explain to us why, through all of human history and all of Western history.
Let her finish, lady. You talk plenty, lady.
Why? Why through...
I love it. Hey, the husband stepping in. Hey, what do you want to say? Shut the hell up and let my wife talk. Look at her mouth. You mother. Oh,
all of Western history, we were able to raise a family, like a janitor could raise a family with 4 children on his income up until 1970. And what happened in 1970? We pushed women into the workforce in huge numbers, and we practically doubled the workforce overnight by pushing mothers and women into the workforce. This happened right alongside the creation of gender studies as an academic discipline. And now we are in a situation where we don't have a family economy. We have an individual income economy, which means most people can't raise a family without both parents working.
Okay, let me bring in Emily, who's been waiting very patiently.
I just want to point out something, right? You have, again, this young lady, she literally just went on a 60 damn minute rant and made no sense at all. She just spoke for about a minute and provided clarity, and she got in and she got out. Come on, man. Instead of talking in circles like this guy, this gentleman, this young lady right here.
Emily, good to see you again. Now, you started a kind of MAGA civil war when you railed against women who want to be a trad wife. You posted a TikTok video, which caused a lot of mayhem. Let's take a look at this.
I'm sorry, I hate to call out my own party, but the young girls on the right promoting this like trad wife bullshit. I just want to make sourdough for my...
Traditional. All right, she's talking about traditional women. I got to make sure anytime, we got clarity.
Husband, that's great. I'm all for it. I promote traditional values. I understand. I have been working since I was very young. I don't really plan on stopping working. I suggest you find a hobby that makes you money. But you guys, guess what? Guess what, baby girl? That lifestyle working out, a man, a provider, you just get to sit at home, bake bread every day, slim to none. I would say none that's going to work out for you, or quite literally anyone you know. You're actually setting yourself up for failure, because it could not be easier, if that's what you're going to pursue, to be trapped by a man. Okay? Also, let's bring some other things to the table besides sourdough.
Wait, hold the hell up. Now, she just went, before she even started her rant, she basically said that she believes in traditional roles. And the only thing that she said was, I believe in working. What the hell is going on? Am I missing something? No. Is that the way that traditional women behave, with putting money before family? What the hell is going on, man? Y'all, please let me know what the hell is going on, man.
Guys want to be mentally stimulated as well as physical, okay? But I'm just like, please, you guys are too young to be promoting this. And also, by the way, it's cringe. You guys are cringe, okay?
Regardless of what side of the fence she's on, she still said something about being traditional. And again, not once did she speak or say anything about, having a husband, being married. And then she even talked about and made fun of the women that enjoy cooking for her man or her family or her husband or whatever. Like, how the hell do you believe in traditional roles when you just sat here and made fun of those very women? I don't understand why they catching strays. Because they're happy and they enjoy what they do for their family, because that's what's been instilled in them. And those women, I think what it is, I'm gonna go out on a limb. I think what it is this young lady is out there working, putting her money first or whatever, and even though she may have the looks down packed to be able to secure these type of men, she failed to realize something. It's up here. Yeah, you might get a ticket to the ball, but you ain't gonna win prom queen or anything else if you ain't got this up here. All of those guys probably just using this young lady for whatever they can get out of her, and just passing her along. And then she look at, I'm not going to use her, but she look at these other women that probably aren't as attractive as she is, probably don't have as many followers as she is, because she's probably one of those social media influencer people or whatever. Them people, man, they head be so doggone big off of, you know, them comments, people tell them that they look good, you're pretty, and a lot of betas and simps down in the comments boosting their head up and thinking that, you know, that's the end all be all. No, you're going down a dark road, man.
Now, Emily, are you standing proudly by that TikTok?
Don't do it. Don't do it.
Thank you guys for laughing. That is supposed to be the point of a lot of my videos. I don't take things too seriously. I usually say things like this and don't think anything of it. I do want to point out in the video, I did start it by being like, look, I love stay-at-home moms. I support them. I promote conservative values. I think the issue with the video is a lot of people just took the video and then gave their own meaning. The group I was specifically bashing on was the young girls in their 20s that promote like traditional lifestyles online that we all know in the right-wing community absolutely do not live these lifestyles. And it's just a bit over the top. It's kind of more cosplay than anything. So of course I support moms that do that. I just don't support the girls pretending to do it, I guess, if that kind of makes sense.
As smart and as intelligent as some of these individuals are, probably got college degrees and everything, man, making all this doggone money, I don't think that you fully understand how to get a point across, right? If you're specifically talking about those women, then why not say that in the video? What the hell is going on? Oh, man, boy, good, great. Look, and look at this.
I'm not sure it does. Andrew, does it make sense to you?
Well, I mean, she's right in a sense that there's a lot of LARPing that goes on the right with the supposed traditional movement, which she's absolutely right, isn't living the traditional lifestyle. However, it's still a counterintuitive message to put out there that, oh, you're going to be trapped by your husband and his income. It's like, good. Don't you want to be in a relationship with your husband and have access to his income? Like, what's the problem here? That would be the values you're trying to move towards, right? So like, ultimately, it's a contradicting message. I understand why you got a bunch of garbage for it. It is a good idea, I think, to point out the LARP, and a good idea to point out how much faux traditionalism is on the right because it's a way for them to peddle sex, and that's exactly what they're doing. You see them in skimpy outfits doing exactly that. Totally fair. But on the other hand, you absolutely should not be putting out a message which ridicules women for wanting to be stay-at-home moms and actually live some type of lifestyle which is conducive to their children and family. That's silly.
Let's play at this stage the clip.
Yeah, I mean, also trapped is just the wrong word to use, but overall my message I stand by.